Hi everyone. I got a gift in the mail and it's this clock with all these bird songs on it. Bird songs. It is oops, singing bird clock. And I love it. I love it. I love it. Sometimes they surprise me though. Let's see if I can give you a couple tunes. Isn't that great? Every hour, on the hour, during daylight time, this thing chirps away and gives me all my friendly neighborhood birds songs, and I just totally love it. And I'm not going to take the time to tell you who's who, but let's see if I can find. These are super. Oh, you can recognize that one real easy. So thank you, Karen, Mike, Joyce, and all your critters for sending me something that I can play with and have on the wall and enjoy my morning dove. And thank you, thank you, thank you. And I recommend it for those bird watchers out there and bird listeners. Wonderful, wonderful gift. Until next time, that's all there is from Sunnybrook Farm.